Jessie, Jessie, what are you doing? Jessie, you my pretty bird. Jessie, pretty bird. What are you doing in my closet? Huh? What are you doing in my closet? You just pooped on my shirt too, I see. Jessie, what are you doing? Jessie, where are you going? You're going to bask in the sunlight or what? Jessie. What are you looking for? Huh? Jessie? Yeah, you. What are you doing? Got something on your back. Oh. Jessie. Jessie, what are you doing? Those of you that want a cockatiel, they are adorable, aren't they? It's like looking after a toddler. I was looking all over for her, and here she was in my closet. And all I was doing was cleaning the kitchen. Wasn't that right, Jessie? Now where are you going? Where are you going? Jessie. Are you feeling like exploratory today, or what? Jessie, come here. Come here. I've had this bird for about, well, she's actually going to be 12 years old here in June coming up. She is the best thing I've ever had. Very smart. She does not talk, though. She just tweets and whistles. But I would not give her up for anything. Isn't that right, Jessie? Come here. Come here. I don't want to scratch your head. Come here. Yeah, there you go. Say hi to the camera. Show them how smart of a bird you are. You don't want to? Huh? You say, pretty bird. Oh, you want a head scratch. Yeah, you always want a head scratch, don't you? And if you're looking into getting a cockatiel, be prepared for a lot of head scratches. She loves it. Yeah, you. Say bye. Jessie. Yeah, there you go.